Welcome back, you guys. We're gonna be doing something, something special again. Today I got some liver and onions. Simple ingredients. You just need some liver and you just need some onions. Simple. So I'm gonna show you how to make some good old fashioned, liver and onions, you guys. All right, so we're gonna get ready to get to chopping it up. We still celebrating Black Heritage Month, you guys, and this is another soul food dish that we always ate at home. And so if you're wondering what type, you can do this actually with chicken liver. This is actually beef liver. And when you have a beef liver, make sure you don't have the silver veins. Now, if you notice on the meat, it doesn't have it, but if you get it from the store, make sure you peel it because it's really rubby and elastic. And it's like kind of like a silver skin. So just give you the tip on how to deal with it. This is fresh. I just washed it with some vinegar, so it's already clean and everything like that. That's why it's not so red like you would see in the package, because once you add water to it, it starts. So what I say is when you wash it till the water turns a little more clear. If it still got red, wash it until it's clear through. So let's chop it up, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. So yeah, just cut them about that size all the way down. Nice bite for everybody. But yeah, in my household, man, liver was a big deal. Chicken liver was a big deal. We fried chicken liver. This one we sauteed. You can fry it too. We do both. But in this one, we're gonna be doing less sauteed liver and onions. And now you can actually use some. You actually cook, have them with, maybe some rice pilaf, or you can do some, hook it up with some brown gravy and mashed potatoes. So, all right, so I'm gonna, put it in a bowl, put this aside. One way to tenderize it, you guys, is to add, so a little baking powder, a little spoon of baking powder in there. That's definitely a tip, so it can stay soft, because you don't want no chewy liver, you guys, because that's a no-no, you guys. All right, so we're gonna get ready to get over into sauteing these onions up, and I'll show you what's going on over there. And first, before I do that, my bad, I was jumping the gun, is to season it up. So I'm gonna season it with my all-purpose seasoning, you guys, and that's all I need. I'm gonna overcook it, over season it, just let it sit, so it can absorb, and that's it, you guys. And you have black pepper in it, but my seasoning has everything just needed. And that's it. So, all right, you guys. So I'm gonna get these onions together, and we get to the next one. All right. So adding about 3 sticks of butter. I'm not 3 sticks, but 3 tablespoons of butter. That's what I meant by that. All right, you guys. And then I want to next add in my avocado infused oil. Doing this actually helps it, stretch, you guys. So that's why I add in my infused avocado oil is garlic. So I'm gonna add a little bit more into it. Now, if you want to just do garlic, this is what you use right here. That's what, and you get that from your local Chinese store. All right, you guys. So it is browning, which is a good thing. I'm just gonna let you know. And just add in your onions. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna break them up and then saute down until they're wilted undone. So once I do that, then I'm gonna add in the liver after that. All right, so we're gonna do that next. All right, so we're gonna add probably about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Mix it on in. The reason why I didn't add it in the beginning because it can burn, so I don't want it to burn. Smelling good. And as you see, I do really like the garlic, you guys. And now the next, add in your liver. So toss that around. Make sure it's, cooked every piece. You don't want no raw liver, so I can tell you that. So just make sure make sure it's all in there and have it cooked down. That's it. And cover it up. You want to add a little something more in here, bell peppers, or any other more vegetables you can. Some people add, potatoes in here as well, so you can do that. But we're gonna keep it simple, easy, just liver and onions. I told you it's a real simple, easy, recipe, you guys. This is all we did. We didn't make it all special. So once it started turning a little gray or brown, that's when you start either flipping it, But we're gonna close it up and let it cook. All right, guys, it's done. So you don't want to cook it too long. You want to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, just basically until they're fully done. Right now they're fully done. You can see all the way through. The onions are wilted down with it and cooked. So it's pretty much done, you guys. What y'all think? The onions is beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you liked, liver, or you tried this out, you know what I'm saying? Or it's like, I don't know. I know liver and onions is a really, big deal in a lot of households and stuff like that. And, in mine, it was. So, we always cooked it. We loved it. When moms hooked it up, with some rice, Uncle Ben's rice or some peas or whatever it was that, there was a side. So, that's what we did. So this is what we did in our household as one of our soul food meals that we added with anything. You could just eat it as is with some ketchup. I do it with some ketchup and hot sauce, you know what I'm saying? And I get down. So, you know what I'm saying? So this is one of those dishes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a wonderful dish for me to make. I'm about to get down and get ready to get something to eat. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments, do you like beef liver, chicken liver? You know what I'm saying? Have you made this dish before? And definitely don't forget to go over to my Facebook page, The Urban Culture Kitchen, Food, Feast, and Soul, you guys. I've been really appreciating seeing all y'all wonderful dishes over there. For those that haven't made it over there, get on over there. Let me see what you got going on. You know what I'm saying? I thank you all for, hanging in there, and I appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one.